Hello and welcome back on our channel to another video. Hello and welcome to another video on our channel. Last week you saw how we started wrapping our Golf MK2, our kick-in Golf. So in this video we're actually going to finish the entire project, which means we're gonna finish the wrapping, we're gonna finish the topic which will come on the Golf, and we have some fresh delivered stuff from, I guess it's China. So yeah, some really high quality parts will be added onto the car, some mods, and we actually also have some stuff which is not from the Golf MK2, but we will make it for the Golf MK2, and we have a little bit to fabricate, a little bit to do. So this everything will be in this video, the same as I will show you the actual cost of this project. As I mentioned previously already, everything is looking quite easy wrapping, and like 10 minutes and you wrap a car, etc, etc. There's much more behind this, much more work, much more costs and all of it. Each and everything I want to explain to you for everybody who's interested maybe to know. So yeah, let's get right into it and see you in 1 second. As you can see, I removed the tape which I had previously as a middle stripe. I plotted myself some nice 7mm stripes which I mounted all over the Golf. We have added a sticker on the Golf straight out the garage. And I also finished the bottom part, as you can see here. This was not finished in the last video, same as the front. And of course I finished the mirror cap from our Mark II, and I also added a sticker in the front, which I think it's looking really sick and nice. I really like it, and the rest we'll do in this video. So we're going to put a sticker here on the sides because it shouldn't stay empty, of course. And yeah, how I do it I will show you right now. Before we get into the funny part, we'll take care about all our boxes which we have in here, and I will show you what it is. Let's see what we have fresh delivered for our Golf MK2, our kick-in Golf. As mentioned, I have some fresh parts from China. However, I'm not gonna translate this, we don't need this. And best part at first, our really cheap spoiler for the kick-in Golf. So it's gonna be fun to see this on a Golf for sure, which we want to mount somewhere on the back. Where exactly I don't know yet. Like I say, we have to fabricate some stuff for it. So yeah, number one. And for this we needed some brackets to mount it, which are actually looking, yeah, like this. Simple aluminium, nothing wow. Some small stuff we have for it, and yeah, we actually have to figure out how to do it. We'll do it in this video. We'll mount our super spoiler for our kicking golf, and how we're gonna do this we'll figure out right now. As mentioned, this is how the brackets are looking like. So simple aluminium parts. The spoiler actually is from aluminium, not the highest quality, I assume. And we have this, yeah, what is this? The sides from this little spoiler already mounted. So actually the plan is looking like it's supposed to go somewhere roundabout in here, as you can see. Hopefully, difficult right now to film. Yeah, and we have a problem because the spoiler which I ordered is actually not for a hatchback, it's for the sedan. So yeah, but we don't care as usually. Important is we got it, and how we're gonna mount it, we'll figure this out. That's about this spoiler. So let's get the spoiler mounted, and we have actually more to do. Enough of talking.
Like Skyry, ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that body, yeah, Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Skyry, ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that body, yeah, Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Skyry, ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that body, yeah, Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Skyry, ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that body, yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a land truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that. Ooh, put it on camera. She a freak, nothing I can't handle. When I'm pulling up in that phantom, I got a boot wetter than Niagara. To my dog, I'm with the leash. Ain't no one holding me back, I'm a beast. Showing them all, following my teeth. None of them with me in these streets. Ooh.
Okay, little update because of my battery issue when I was mounting our spoiler. So as you saw, maybe just one holder, I believe. We have the spoiler on the Mark II Golf now. I fabricated, yeah, these holders here myself and repainted it in matte black, so it will match with the rest of the spoiler. And basically, as you can see, it is mounted here in the what is this? Trunk cover here, and the same over here and over here. So yeah, nothing wild, nothing big, just to give you a little update on how the spoiler is mounted, and it's really stable, and this is the most important. As promised, we want to reveal our prices for our Mark II DIY low budget project. And yeah, let's start with the Golf. The Golf cost 350 euro. Here bought in Poland, which you will find on the board, all the prices from now. We have changed oil and filters. It was around about 80 euro. Of course, we added some Bondo to the Mark II Golf, which was around about 10 euro. The TA Technics to lower the car was 200 euro. New, yeah, the cheapest what you can get, I guess. Chassis part for the Jetta front. We have also bought new, the same as lights and grill. The grill was 30 euro, 50 euro was the lights for the Jetta. The chassis part was 40 euro, everything, like I say, new. Exhaust, the new one from Asso Racing Company, somewhere from Italy, 70 euro, new. Spoiler, 60 euro, the China quality spoiler, which yeah, I party hard all the time. Hood lockers, 10 euro. We have the foil on the windows. Here it was around about 30 euro for all windows to foil it. Now the two-phase foil was around about 250 euro. And yes, it was cheap, and it is still cheap. The sticker foil coming on top, round about 30 euro for all the stickers on the fender, our Kick-In Golf by Reust builds, stickers, etc. Then we have other materials with round about, let's say, 20 euro. And yeah, so in summary, it is 1,230 euro, which is almost the same, let's say, in US dollars. And yeah, I don't know what it is in any other currency. So yeah, that's it. Finish the Golf project. I hope you liked and enjoyed our actual first project, little project car, DIY low budget on our channel. And see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like it and subscribe. Bye.